Hi friends, I'm Anna Helman. Today I have an awesome tip to share with you that's going to save you tons of time when you're punching out those pieces that have multiple pieces to the punch. Life-saving tip. Let's take a look at it. So here's one of these builder punches that has multiple parts to it. Oftentimes when I'm using these punches, I'm stamping first. Here's the coordinating stamp set that goes with it. You can see that I've stamped several of the pieces, and I wanted to show you how it can be difficult and frustrating to punch some of these out. So, okay, I stamped the body the correct way, but then when I want to line it up in the punch, it's actually upside down. So, well, I can turn it upside down, but, well, now it doesn't fit in my punch. Okay, can I punch the head? Let's punch the head out. That one lines up. What about the bow? Well, this bow right here, I can't really get that one in right. Oh, good. I can get the bell in. I can get that one punched. But as you can see, this can be a little bit time consuming and frustrating if you don't know the tip I am about to share with you. So here's the tip. First thing you want to do is take a piece of cardstock. I find it easier when I use a darker color piece of cardstock, and then I can use my light table surface underneath to see through. I lay the stamps on top of the holes. Now first make sure your cardstock is laying the same way as the punch when it is punching and it's not flipped over reverse. That's the first thing to make sure. Line up your stamps exactly in the openings. So I have done this with the other three. I'm going to line it up with this one right now. And once they are lined up, what you're going to do is take your block and put it directly on top. Next, you want to ink that up, stamp on your cardstock, and you want to do it the same way as the punch is lined up. So I need to flip this over and stamp this direction. At the bottom of the cardstock, keep that in mind at the bottom so that it's easy to slide on just like this. And I can punch them all at one time. That makes it super easy to punch the pieces. I have the pieces to make this adorable little sheep in just a few seconds. That's today's tip that will save you tons of time with your punching. If you're new here, I hope you subscribe. Give me a comment down below. Tell me what quick tips you want to see in the future. I hope you have a blessed day, and I hope you'll be back again next time when I'll be here helping you to hand make with love.